Hello again. DenaliDownSouth here. It's been a little while since we've done this, and I meant to do this a lot sooner, but it's a continuation of the Tea Light, I guess, series. Or, well, you only had one other video, so maybe it's not a series yet. But using tea light candles on the homemade stove to boil a cup of water. So yeah, last time we did it with one tea light candle. This time we're doing it with two. Last time it was a little bit colder. I'm gonna try to get about the same temperature though. It's probably about 65 right now. Could kind of get a simmer out of the 1 cup of water, but couldn't get it to a boil. So we're gonna try it with two and see if we can get a boil. And this cup is the Vargo Titanium Bot HD. Not sponsored by anybody, but just in case anybody wants to know what I'm using, that's it. And we have 1 cup of water in there, and let's see what happens. As usual, using this really old, I was gonna say old school, but maybe it's not too old school, but yeah, this old iPad, first gen. The stove, 2 tea light candles, the bot pot. Let's get these lit. There's one. Oops, sorry. Come on, buddy. Come on. There we go. There's two. Just a little bit of ventilation. Set that on there and start, and we'll see how long this takes. All right, coming up on 3 minutes here. See, still going, and not really seeing much any changes in the water. We'll just keep an eye on it. Okay, so we're at 4.5 minutes, so coming up on 5, and I know it's not the exact same weather conditions, not the same temperature, not the same humidity, so you can't really directly compare it to the other one, but I mean it's close enough for for this channel's research. So there we go, almost 5 minutes, and maybe some little bubbles, some little simmer bubbles there. Let's see. Oh, I feel a little bit of heat coming up, but not much. But that's what we got so far. Just keep going until these go out or it boils. Okay, coming up on 10 minutes. Let's see where we're at. Yeah, still really no change from the 5-minute mark. I bet if I put the lid on, that might help a little bit, but we're not doing that. So we didn't do it last time, we're not doing it this time. Yeah. Might be a while. All right, coming up on 15 minutes, and I don't know if this will capture it, but there's a little bit of steam rising. I don't know if you can see that. Still just the bubbles. A little warmer, but not much. But we got the steam. That's kind of coming, so that's something. Okay, just hit 20 minutes. And still got the steam. And it looks like we might have some couple surface bubbles. So that's progress. Slow progress, but it's progress. Okay, 28 minutes. The candles are super liquid now, and we're still not boiling. I guess we're further than what we were last time, but still not boiling, but we'll just see this out. We'll see this through. 33, almost 34 minutes. There's the candles getting ready to go out, I think, soon. Still just some minor surface bubbles and the steam. And in case you're wondering, that's a Coleman Peak 1 plastic frame. Pretty great frames for packs. And yep, just still going. Okay, 44 minutes, almost 45. Here we go. There we go for the water. Still steam. Pretty much no changes. Looks like the intensity's going down. We are probably not going to see a boil from 2 tea lights, but we'll just keep at it. Yep, just gonna sit around watching candles burn and water bubble. We are at almost 1 hour and still nothing different. Just sit around and try to watch water boil. Yep, 1 hour, 14 minutes. If you all stick around, I'll be surprised if you watch any of these boiling videos with tea lights that I do. I'd be surprised if you stick around. So this is an interesting turn of developments. The battery died in the iPad. So we're about at an hour and a half. And I guess we'll just have to call it. We're not boiling. Those are a little weird. So yeah, I guess we'll just call it and say no tea lights. 2 tea lights can't boil the water either. I don't know if I could squish 3 in there. Maybe I'll try that someday. We'll see. But yeah, thanks for joining me. And yeah, sorry this ended the way it did, but that's life, right? See ya. Check out all these videos floating around here for other great content. Also, be sure to like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification, comment, check out the links below. It all helps the channel and the family. Every little bit.